to the channel. But if you happen to be the newbie that's passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm here today to share with you all some amazing new updates that are currently happening on MzGlamourAddict.com website, my very own small business boutique. So, oh my God, so much has been happening and going on. I'm so excited to be here with you all. Where do I even begin? I'm going to start out with my newest arrival, which is my Luxe liquid lipsticks. Oh my gosh, what looks like this right here. I'm going to be doing some swatches for you all so you get a chance, you know, to see its quality. Another thing that's happening, oh, so many of you have inquired previously, you know, saying, hey, are you going to be uploading any wigs on your website? Well, I heard your request and I happily oblige the request. Yes, I've added a small selection of my most treasured, pre-loved, and excellent quality condition wigs that I have worn right here on this channel. It is now available on the website with an exclusive official Glam Doll discount being added. We're going to get more into that. Another thing that's new on the website is gift cards. You know, the holidays are fast approaching, and what better way to save time, to save effort, and to save money by getting an gift card for your loved one. The perks on my gift cards is they never expire, and there's no penalty for if the card is not being used. Right? I'm trying to tell y'all, I be looking out for my glam dolls. What else is happening on the website? Oh, so much. Oh, again, if you happen to be the newbie that's passing through, my full cosmetic line, okay, yeah, my very own full cosmetic line is available on the website right now. Like I said, I do have a sale and promotion going on, so I do strongly encourage that you head on over to MzGlamourAddict.com. Make sure you sign up on the website. That way you can be registered to receive my monthly emails, which consist of fabulous deals that you wouldn't have to break your bank for. That's what I'm talking about. So let me get into the swatches. So first thing first, I don't have on any lipstick right now because I want to share with you all my favorite lip combo that I have been jonesing on a lot lately. I'm talking about my Luxe lipstick number 15 and my MzGlamourAddict Glam lipstick number 11. I've been adding these two together. So I'm going to first apply number 15 from the Luxe lipsticks. It's like that natural lipstick. I'm wearing makeup, not really wearing makeup type colored lipstick. Y'all gonna see. So I just add a little bit to my lip because I don't want to overdo it, you know. Just a little bit. Pat. And it's closest to my natural lip color. That is what I love about this lipstick right here. Again, it is number 15 on the Luxe lipsticks. Number 15. So I apply that, you know, give it a few seconds because it does dry down into a semi-matte formula, okay? It's very lightweight when warm, and it's not overwhelming when applied onto the lips. Now I'm going to top it with my Glam lipstick in number 11. My favorite lip combo that I have been doing lately. This is what it's looking like. Add a little bit. Did I mention how good this smells? Oh my God. Just a little bit. Dab, dab. Dab, dab, dab. And voila. Just like that. Like I said, number 11 on the Glam lipsticks and number 15 on the Luxe lipsticks. And when you mix them together, you get a luxurious glam lip. That was that. So now we're going to get into the swatches of the rest of the liquid lipsticks. So this one is going to be number 6. It is my classic red, just in time for the holidays. Can't go wrong with a classic red lip. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Oh, so gorgeous when applied. And like I said, what I love about the Luxe lipsticks is they dry down into a semi matte color. Okay, once you apply it, it's going to dry down into a semi matte color. And this is number 6, which is called my classic red, which looks like this right here. And like I said, this is number 6, the classic red on the Luxe lipsticks. Looks like that right there. So the next color I have to share with you all will be number 11. Now I curated these lipsticks myself. Love each color that I selected. Number 11 is giving you that Berrylicious color. Okay, Berrylicious. Again, I'm going to apply it. It dries down into a semi matte consistency. All right, semi matte consistency. And this is the number 11, which looks like that right there. Number 11. Gorgeous when applied. So the top is number 6 and the bottom is number 11. Super gorgeous, super cute. And then I was like, you know what, I have to give off a winter's vibe. Okay, who don't love a strong vampy lip for the winter? So I decided to add a sultry blackberry color. Oh my gosh, wait till I apply this one for you all. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this one. Look at this one. I kid you not. This is gorgeous when applied. And as I told you all from the beginning, all of these dry down into a beautiful semi-matte color. And what I love best about my lipsticks is color you see, you definitely is going to get. And this is, like I said, number 17, which is my sultry blackberry color, and it's available on MzGlamourAddict.com website. So with that being said, those were the swatches of the newest arrival. Then I've also added a lot of my pre-loved wigs that I'll be wearing here on this channel. Is available on the website, and they're going for, I don't know if I should tell y'all. Well, it's only first come first serve basis. That's number 1. But aside from that, the pre-loved wigs are available at up to 50% off. So yeah, you might want to check that out. Then, like I said, we have the e-gift cards that's now available on my website. And the beauty about my gift cards is they never expire, and there's no penalty for not using them within a certain period of time. And last but not least, subscribe if you haven't already done so. You can easily visit the website and just subscribe. That way you can be notified of my monthly newsletter of when deals and savings are given early access. So you don't want to miss that. So on that note, this now concludes the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Everything that I shared and showed you in this video will be listed down below, along with a discount code for you to visit MzGlamourAddict.com. And I'm going to go and put all these things away. But I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.